Hey, what's up, people? I just finished taking a shower. So, when we arrived here in Riyadh, nagano lang ako, nagpalit lang ako agad. Tapos, pumunta na kami agad ng mall. Then, just to have dinner and walk around, check some stuff. Kung ano mga pwedeng bilhin dun. Pero so far, wala naman ako nabili. I just bought dates and truffle chocolates. That's it. I was planning to buy some clothes. Pero, when I tried to fit it, parang hindi maganda yung fitting niya. Medyo mahaba for me, and pag ako bumibili ako ng damit, I'm very particular with with the shoulders and with the length of it, kung hanggang saan aabot sa akin. Usually, hanggang waist or a little below the waist yung preferred ko na fitting. So, sayang, maganda pa naman siya for summer sana. Kaya lang, hindi maganda yung length niya sa akin. So anyway, that's okay with me. So, di na lang ako bumili. Tapos after that, we just stayed in a coffee shop na maraming Pinoy. Maraming kapwa Pinoy. So, binigyan nila kami ng mga libre-libre. Libreng drink, libreng churros, libreng acai bowl. Talaga sobrang bait nila ng mga Pinoy dito sa Riyadh. Then after that, konting kwentuhan, tapos nag-book na kami ng Uber pabalik ng hotel. Tapos yan, kaka-shower ko lang. Then, sarap ng shower. Sarap ng hot water shower talaga. So, ngayon, I'm ready to hit the bed. There. Kita mo yan? Kita mo yung bed ko? Sobrang sarap ng mga bed dito sa Middle East. I don't know, para kang niyayakap pag humihiga ka dun sa bed nila. Very comfy, very warm. Tapos, ayan, chill lang tayo ngayong gabi. Papaantok, watch some YouTube channels or Netflix. Tingnan natin, no? Tayo na Netflix siguro. Pampaantok. Pero gusto ko makakuha ng masarap na tulog ngayong gabi. Sobrang gusto ko matulog ng masarap. Then tomorrow, let's see if I'm going to swim, and I'll bring you to the pool and to the gym after ko mag-breakfast tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow. Good night. Ready for bed. Usually, pag natutulog ako, I just usually wear some pajama pants. Yan, ganyan. Para comfy. Yeah. lights off na tayo. So, ready to sleep na. Ready to rest and call it a day. So, have a good night.